National Family Welfare Program is a centrally sponsored program. It includes education, nutrition, health, employment, women's welfare, and right shelter, safe drinking water, and all factors can be considered in family welfare. Family planning means it is a responsibility of parents. Family planning by individuals or couples to have only the children they want when they want them. The family welfare includes education, nutrition, health and employment, and safe drinking water. It is defined as it is not including only planning of birth, but the welfare of whole family by means of total family health care. The family welfare program has high priority in India because the success of India mainly depending on quality of lives of all citizens. It is defined as a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and merely the absence of disease or infirmity in all matters relating to reproductive system and its functions and process. The history of family welfare program. The family welfare program was started in 1951 year. This program can be having various approaches from clinical approaches, development of reproductive and child health. In 1977, the Government of India redesignated the National Family Planning Program into National Family Welfare Program. It is a reflection of government anxiety to promote family planning through the total welfare of the family. The major aim of national family welfare is improves the quality of life of the peoples. The India is the first country in the world implement the family welfare program at government level. The government has concentrated on this program in 5 years plans through the fourth 5 year plan. Due to bad effects of emergency and faulty propagation and family planning suffered a major setback during the 1977 to 1979. The National Health Policy in 1983 net productive rate can be should be 1 by the 2000. The seventh 5 year plan placed more importance in family welfare program by family planning methods including spacing methods in between two children. The major concepts of family welfare is it is involves the quality of life. It is also include the education, nutrition, health, employment, women's welfare and rights, shelter, safe drinking water, all important parameters these are associated with welfare. It is the centrally government sponsored program and receive the 100% grants from the central government. The major aim and objectives of family welfare program is the Government of India association with Ministry of Health and Family Welfare start the aim and objectives of family welfare program to promote the health of mother and children's, to promote the adaptation of swarm family size, and it is a basis of voluntary acceptance to promote the use of temporary spacing methods for gap in between children, and supply of contraceptive to the all eligible couples within their easy reach, to arrange clinics and surgical services to the targeted peoples, and participate the of voluntary organizations, local leaders, local self-governments in family welfare programs at state and district level and village level. By using mass communication and interpersonal communication to overcome the problems associated with public health education for family planning. The major goals of family welfare program was it can be having long-term goals achieved by the 2000 AD. It includes a reduction of birth rate from 29 per thousand live births to the 21 by 2000 AD, and reduction of death rate from 10 to 9% in for 100 live births, raising of couple protection rate from 43.3 to 60%, reduction of average family size from 4.2 to 2.3, decreases the IMR infant mortality rate from 79 to less than 60% for 1000 live births, and reduction of net production rate from 1.48 to 1%. These are the major goals of family welfare program. The major impact of family welfare activities are there are 98% of women's and 99% of men's in the age group between 15 to 49 having good knowledge about the contraceptive methods and also easily educate the family planning methods. And 97% of women and 95% of men are easily adapted the female sterilization methods and also using permanent sterilization methods. 93% of men are having use of condoms, and 74% of women are using condoms. About 80% of men and women are having knowledge about contraceptive pills usage and their importance in improves their family welfare. The importance of family welfare program is up to 2010 to 11 ending only 34.9 million people are using family planning except at national level. It includes 5 million people are using sterilization, 5.6 million people are using intrauterine devices insertion, and 16 million people are using condoms, and 8.3 million people are using oral pills. Intrauterine devices have been increases in India during the 10 to 11 year. 5.6 million intrauterine injections are reported against 5.7 millions in 2009 to 10. Condom users and oral pills users are about 16 million people are using condoms, and 83.7 million people are using oral pills during the 2010 to 11 year. The number of births prevented in the 2010 to 2011 in implementation of family planning measures prevented the 16.33 million births in the country of 2010 to 11. In 2009 to 10 is having 16.605 by using various strategies for involved in family welfare program is integration with health services. The family welfare program is integrated with other programs like maternity and child health, and also integrated with Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to improve the public health and also provide motivation for post delivery sterilization, abortions, and usage of contraceptive methods. In rural areas, female family welfare programs are more in rural areas by establishment of sub centers and primary health centers. Also establish the district, state, and central level services. The next one is literacy. It is a direct correlation between literacy and fertility. Fertility rate is decreases in educated females. Breastfeeding. It is one of the most important method to avoid the birth of child. Breastfeeding is encouraged. It will decreases the birth of child. 5 million births per annum can be prevented by practicing of breastfeeding, and also government raises the age of marriages for both men and females under the child marriage restraint bill passed in 1978. According to this bill, the age for males marriage is 21 years and 18 years for females. Next one, minimum needs program. It can be implemented and launched in fifth 5-year plan. The major aim of minimum needs program is raise the standards of economical by increasing the economical standards of the peoples. It will decreases the fertility rate. Next one, incentives. Giving money incentives to the family planning programs for classes peoples. Next, by using radio, television, cinemas, newspapers, puppet shows, and folk dances are create information, education, and awareness about importance of family planning methods in improvement of total family welfare. By using mass media in family welfare services provided by community health department, it is having a major role. It is having collecting the demographic facts about the family welfare usages, and also make the list of homes using family welfare services, and collecting the information about pregnant women and eligible couples for using family welfare and family planning programs. This is the major role of health nurses in the family welfare services. Education functions and motivation. Explaining the importance and necessity of family planning to the mass groups by using teaching communication and providing messages to the family planning to the common peoples. Motivating the eligible couples to the use of contraceptives or oral pills or temporary methods or spacing methods, and also using to educate them, motivating the peoples for family planning operation or permanent contraceptions. These are the role of health nurses in family welfare services. Also having Community health department is also having a play major role in family welfare services, providing counseling, information, and communication services to the health and gender differences, and also monitoring the growth of children's nutrition education and reproductive health services for adolescents, and also providing obstetric care, infection control, and nutrition promotion to the pregnant women to provide safe motherhood, and also providing children to the essential care of newborn, including infection control measures and nutritional promotions, and also providing fertility control by MTP, medical termination of pregnancy services, and also providing immunization and oral rehydration therapy and prevention and control of vitamin A deficiency diseases in children's, integrated management of child illness, and also providing to reduce the infant mortality rate and immunization against measles, mumps, and rubella. These are the importance of community health department providing family welfare services. These are the various services provided under a family welfare program.